So hello everyone, I'm in Venice and we're gonna have our exhibition here with Moving Lab. Moving Lab is the association, the cultural association where I'm working in, and we're gonna have a photography exhibition in a beautiful little bar that is just opened, and the artist is Erika Zellante, who is a great young photographer here in Venice. So that's where I'm bringing you now.
Abbiamo un tavolo da 2, un tavolo da 3, però volendo.
Sì, è bellissimo, tutto verde adesso.
Ragazzi,
Che bravo che sei.
ma allora, automatico.
Brava. E invece questo è per Mauro. The other day I was talking about this with one of my friends, that she's been struggling about her body, that she doesn't feel good in her body and she wants to lose weight and stuff like this. And you know, about her, she's conscious about her imperfections, and I was suggesting her well, a couple of things, but one of them was to curate her feed, her Instagram feed and her socials, that what she's watching, what she's spending her time on. Because what we are watching constantly on feeds, and you know, like we are scrolling and such, those things affect us obviously, and it's important that you are in control of what you are watching, and you're not letting the thing feel you bad. So I'm suggesting you that when you are watching your feed and you're scrolling down, you are conscious about how those images and videos affects you. And it's the same with YouTube as well, obviously, that you're seeing something or someone, you feel jealous or you feel bad about yourself, you feel, you know, uglier or fatter or, you know, skinnier or whatever, you feel bad because of that image, then you should stop following that person. Because the point is that we should follow people who are, and it's the same with friends obviously, we should follow people who gives us a good feeling about ourselves and a good feeling about who we are and the way we look like. So they are lifting us up and not bringing us down. People who you are following, they are not trying to show something fake or unrealistic or unreal. They are showing the true selves. You have to remember that you are in control of what you are watching on the internet and how you are spending your time there. So it's really, really important, because it's the same with food. Like, you are what you eat, and it's the same with the internet. It's you are what you are consuming. So it's important to be aware of what we are watching and how we are using the internet, because no one is teaching that. So yeah, my painting is done. I'm showing it to you.